In the previous video, we learned how to build multi-page interfaces using tabs. In this video, we're going to take our layout skills further by combining GridBox and Card to create a clean, dashboard-style product layout. Let's begin by creating two product cards. Each card represents a product with a name, a price, and a colorful buy button inside. Instead of placing these cards directly on the page, we put them inside a grid box, which is responsible for arranging elements in a structured grid layout. We then wrap everything inside a column with a title and a short description at the top. Now let's run this and see what happens. As you can see, we now have a simple product dashboard with two neatly styled cards placed side by side. Even with just two cards, you can already feel how professional and organized this layout looks compared to plain buttons or text. Now that we understand the basic idea, let's take this one step further and make our dashboard more realistic by adding two more products. We create two additional cards with different prices and different button colors, giving each product its own visual identity. These new cards follow the exact same structure as the first two, which keeps our design consistent and clean. Once we have all four cards ready, we simply place them inside our grid box and specify that we want two columns. This tells Panel to automatically arrange the cards into a nice 2x2 grid. Let's run this version and take a look. Now our dashboard feels complete. Four colorful product cards arranged perfectly in a grid, looking just like a real shopping or admin panel. You can clearly see how powerful GridBox and Card are when used together to build modern, visually appealing interfaces. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more layout tools and interactive features to take your Python web apps even further.